Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will talk about what plants need. Here are our objectives. To use the vocabulary words to build deeper understanding of science concepts and to explore what the plant needs to stay healthy and the effects when the plant does not get the things it needs. Take a look at these two pictures. Which plant do you think is getting everything it needs to live and grow? Look at plant number one. It has yellow and brown colors. It is drooping or couldn't stand on its own, and it looks smaller than plant 2. And plant 2 has bright green color, and it is standing straight up. So which one do you think is getting everything it needs? Of course, it is plant number 2. This picture of a plant is showing us that it is getting what it needs with the help of its parts, which are the roots, stem, and leaves. Here are some of the vocabulary words that we will cover in this unit. Nutrient. It is anything that living things such as plants need as food. The plants get the nutrient from the soil because it has lots of minerals in it. Pollen. It is a sticky powder that flowers need to make seeds. Here's a fun fact. Do you know that the insects are attracted to the flowers because of their colors? So when the insects get onto the flower, the pollen are stuck on their body, and then when they fly away, they help them scatter the pollen into the soil, and then later on it will turn into a new plant. And habitat. It is a place where living things get the food, water, air, and shelter needed to live. Plants are living things. Here are the reasons. It moves. Plants move from place to place as seeds. It respires. It breathes in carbon dioxide. Sense. They can sense if something or someone is touching it. An example of this is the Venus flytrap. When an insect gets on top of the flower, it closes it. It traps the insect. Hence its name, Venus flytrap. Grow. Plants grow when they get everything they need. It reproduces. It means it can have an offspring or it can produce a smaller plant. Excrete, they breathe out oxygen, and they need nutrients for them to stay healthy. On the first picture, it is showing us how water helps the plant. The roots absorb the water and the stem distribute the water into the leaves. And on the second picture, the plants are getting the warmth that they need from the sunlight.
The plant needs rich soil so it can stay strong and healthy. The plant also needs to have enough space to grow. The growing plant gets leaves. The plant needs air, water, and sunlight. The plant uses these things to make its own food. Flowers begin to form. The plant got all of the things it needed. What do you think would happen if the plant didn't get all of the things it needs?
One of the things that the plants need to grow is the water. It's sunlight. Aside from the warmth that the sunlight provides the plant, it also needs the sun for it to produce its own food. It needs soil. It is where it is taking the nutrients from. And the plants need space, enough space for it to grow. Here are the parts of the plant. The first one is the roots. It takes in water and nutrients. The stem. It is the part of the plant that moves water and nutrients. And we have the leaves that take in air and sunlight. Remember that the roots are the ones taking in the water and the nutrients. The stem is the one that moves water and nutrients, and the leaves are the ones that are taking in the air and sunlight. Good job, everyone!